What's up, guys? aka Crazy Russian with DCCTRAIN LLC, Cincinnati, Ohio. Today, I'd like to invite you for live broadcast on my new channel for live presentations and building layouts and all that stuff. DCCTRAIN LLC, link will be in the description and also in the comments. I think I'm not covering basic stuff. Looks like I'm always like tons of wires and very complicated. I'm going to fix it. So in those kind of live stream tutorials, I will answer all questions after I'll provide information. So in about 30-45 minutes. So we're going to cover just basic stuff. When you beginner or you just got DCC first time system and stuff like this, I'm using that's DR5000 DG system. Love it because I just sold last mine new DCS 52 Digitrax station, so that's fine. So you may be more familiar with this, and on basic example I'll show you what tools for diagnostic when the power going away from your layout, even it's like small layout, even on table tennis, or you just building it, loop on under Christmas tree or something. So basic stuff. We going to use this new gizmo like tester indicator. I'm going to use this on the right corner ramp meter, and I'll show you what else you need to use. This is the tester. All that stuff I'm using myself. You probably saw different videos, different approaches, but this is just mine, okay? I think I'm still learning almost every day about different stuff, so it's extra information. I don't think so. It's not gonna hurt. So welcome again to that channel, and we'll start from there. Thanks for supporting business and our store. We'll see you later. Bye bye.